Welcome to this Mueller how-to video. Today we are going to learn how to use our 3D design tool. The first step is to select Toolbox from the heading bar on the home page of MuellerInc.com. Using the drop-down bar, click 3D Design Tool. Once there, click the picture. If you don't already have an account, sign up now to save your project. You now have several options to customize your building. You can use the slider tool, arrows, or your keypad to adjust each dimension. Then select Next Step and continue using the drop-down lists to edit more of your building. When using the Lean-To tool, activate the Lean-To location and then use the arrows or your keypad to change dimensions. This tool lets you create a lean-to or a wraparound porch. Then choose your colors for the building and accessories. Finally, add some trees, trucks, and people to make your building scenario realistic. Once you step inside, you can see the framework of your Mueller metal building. After designing your building, click Save, and once you have finalized your design, select Get a Quote. You will then complete a short form, including the location of your dream building. Be sure to fill out the address according to the building that is to be quoted. Fill out this section according to your current billing or mailing address. If you know the sales representative you would like to work with, use the drop-down boxes. If you do not know, leave this section blank and we will find a representative for you. Please leave any additional comments in this box. Once you submit your design, you can expect to receive a quote within 24 business hours. You will find an email from Mueller with attachments, or you can assess your quote on the 3D design tool and click the drop-down box list to select your saved project. Once there, click Spec Sheet. This will show you a typed form of what you have created. From here, click Quote PDF. This will show you the things like paint color and quantities. Finally, you will see an estimated price for your building. After reviewing your quote, you can contact your salesperson listed on the top left side of the quote. They will help with any questions you have and help make your dream building a reality.